If you're a 2D VTuber or enjoy creating animations, we have some exciting news for you. Sony recently released 2 great new collaborations for mocopi. Mocopi now has features within the popular VTube Studio platform, meaning for the first time ever, you can add full body motion from mocopi to your 2D avatars. Additionally, our beloved Raynos-chan character is now available in 2D form to use in VTube Studio. If you've ever wanted to try becoming a VTuber or animated character, VTube Studio is a great, easy way to start. Sony has also launched a mocopi and XYN library on the widely used animation and clip asset platform VTube Studio by CELSYS. In this new library, you can access 40 free preset motions and some character assets to use in your animation. All of this is now available to enhance your VTubing and animations. Thanks for watching.